I'm living the school days and I'm enjoying it. I'm rocking. Actually, roaming in the corridors, learning in the classrooms, surrounded by books, this is what I'm doing, of course, in a different capacity. I'm loving every second of it. Teaching is my passion, because of which I made it my profession. Right now, I'm working as a principal in one of the schools in Yanam. And I love to be surrounded by the students. Their innocence, their enthusiasm is making me happy all the time. Bye. This is your friend P.M. Prashanti, 1989 batch.
Hi friends, this is Alvi Kumar from 91 batch, B section, last bencher. Yeah, you're right. I think you guys remembered me. Yeah, I'm going to meet all people at the reunion, mega reunion, which is going to be held on 21st and 22nd of this 2019 December. Right? Hope you are all coming over there. Are you coming? Okay, see you there. Bye.
My dear school friends, I am Vidya Akunuru from 1989 batch, and I am working and living in Singapore. And right behind me you can see the High Commission of India, Singapore, where I am working in. I am looking forward for the great event that is happening in December 2019, and I am going for that big event. Are you guys coming? So please join us. Bye.
Hello school friends, this is Viji Suryadevara from 88 batch, living in California and working as a CEO and founder of Careerways and as an angel investor. I'm really looking forward to coming to our mega reunion in December 2019. It's a great opportunity to check out our school, check out our township and relive our childhood memories. I hope you're all coming. I look forward to seeing you all there. Bye.
Hi friends, this is Gopinath from 1989 batch. 1989 batch is privileged than all other batches because we studied in school for 12 years. I'm happy to know that a 10 years reunion is being organized in December this year. Looking forward to meeting all my friends, seniors and juniors and teachers. Let us rock it. Bye.
Hi school friends, I'm ARK Ratna Vadapalli from the famous Rangila batch. Hope you all signed for the big day. If not, please do it today. Let's all catch up on 21st, 22nd December. See you. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm B Radhika from 89 batch. Yes, 89 batch. We were seniors in school for 3 years. 11th and 12th classes started with our batch. Hope you all remember me. Do you? అదే అప్పట్లో ఎన్సిసి రాధిక అను డాన్స్ రాధిక అను పిలిచేవారు కదా, ఆ రాధికనే. నాకు మీలాగ ఎన్నో డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సీనియర్స్ ఎవరో, జూనియర్స్ ఎవరో, సీనియర్స్ నన్ను గుర్తుపడతారో లేదో, నేను జూనియర్స్ గుర్తుంటానో లేదో, ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో డౌట్స్. ఈ డౌట్స్ అన్నీ తీరాలంటే కలవాలి కదా మరి. ఎక్కడ? అదే డిసెంబర్ రీయూనియన్. ఎస్, I am going back to school in December for reunion. Hope you all will join me. Don't forget, December reunion. Bye guys.
Hi friends, this is Sharath from 1990 batch, living on earth. Nice to hear about the grand reunion happening. Okay, we'll definitely be there. Kudos to all the people who have done the hard work in making this event happening. Thank you.
Hi, this is Lakshmi in BHPV స్కూల్లోని 89 బ్యాచ్. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్, నేను ఇక్కడ సాలూరులో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను టీచర్గాను. ఆమె హిందీ పండిట్. నేను పిల్లలకి మ్యూజిక్ కూడా ఇష్టంగా నేర్పుతూ ఉంటాను వాళ్ళకి. గుర్తుపట్టారా నన్ను? నేను స్కూల్ డేస్లోని పాటలు పాడేదాన్ని. ఆలోకయే శ్రీ బాలకృష్ణం ఇన్ని రాసులయునికి ఇంతి చెలువ పురాసి నెమరికి నేర్పిన నడకలివి మురళికి అందని పలుకులివి. ఇలాంటి పాటలన్నీ పాడేదాన్ని స్కూల్ డేస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు. మీరందరూ గుర్తుపట్టారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్.
Hi friends, this is A. Semi Prasad of 1989 batch. I lives in Visakhapatnam and works
for a corporate hospital as HR manager. Friends, I'm eagerly waiting for this mega reunion event in December 2019. After 30 years gap, we are getting this wonderful opportunity where we can meet our teachers and friends. Really, I'm getting goosebumps. So finally, friends, I'll be coming. Hope you also come. Friends, ఆ 2 days మనం ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చిన్నపిల్లలు అయిపోయి స్కూల్ పిల్లలు అయిపోయి హ్యాపీగా మస్తుగా ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాం. లెట్స్ సెలబ్రేట్. సీ యూ దేర్.